humans and aliens at the back. Yes, I see you. Today I'm doing a tutorial on how to do scratch art on digital digitally. Sorry. Anyway, um, yeah, as you can see, I'm adding random splotches of color. If you don't know, scratch art is like this thing that it's basically a bunch of rainbow color, typically rainbow colors, and then over top there's like a layer of blackness which you scratch off with like a toothpick or something, and you can make like patterns in it, and it looks pretty cool. And it's really time consuming, but when you do it digitally, which I'm showing you how to do it, it's much easier and it's better. The next few seconds of this are going to be very boring. So I'm gonna play some music for your ears to listen to. Okay, so now what you do is you open a new layer, and in that layer you fill the entire thing black. Then you take your trusty hard eraser and you can fiddle with the size of it until you get the size that you want, and yeah, just start drawing like I did here. Anyway, that's it. Make sure that your subscribe button looks like that and not like this.